everyone. Because of the things that we're talking about, I forgot to open the Nipnoc page
Yes.
and I've forgotten to spam people.
Hey, hello, hello. Good afternoon. Okay, let's also spam people.
While we're waiting for people to join.
Yes. Ay, ang aga today, sabi ni Franny Karen. Ba, di ba? Di ba 5 p.m. din yung last time?
Yeah. But
Oh.
pero sabagay
Signs
kasi
of
the
signs of
others,
aging.
yes, that's our
Yes.
opening topic for the day.
Thank you for the stars, Franny Karen. Yeah, nakakatawa kasi 5 p.m. is the new
Yeah.
7 p.m.
For people our age, for the what do you call that? For the non-young ones.
Yes, for the mga 8 p.m. kasi dapat we're prepping na for bedtime.
Yes, that's true. Although mine, I'm a little bit, as a vampire.
Yeah, well, you have work also.
Yes, as a
Still.
vampire, my latest 8 a.m.
Yes.
Hindi makatarungan yung 8 a.m. My God.
I know,
We're,
right? Wait lang. Sorry, we can't multitask. We're spamming.
yes, we're spamming
To share our FB Live.
because it's the first episode of the year.
I know, right?
Grabe, Franny, makaka 1 year
Hello.
na tayo.
When is it ba? Feb, di ba?
Yes. It's
Feb or
Feb.
March? I think it's March.
Is it parang, well, we'll see later because we've forgotten as old people. Pinagdidiinan ko talaga yung age.
Oo.
It's that part of life where you're so bitter about your age.
About.
About your
Okay,
age, your
alam mo,
birth year.
in fairness though, I think I've moved past the getting bitter about aging.
You
Parang feeling ko,
have?
yes, yes. Parang I like, minus the health issues like my glasses.
Oo.
But, yes. Pero so far, parang I love. Kasi parang, I don't know, iba na yung mga priorities mo ngayon eh. Right?
Well, that's
Iba na yung,
true.
di ba?
Oo.
For example, before, as younger women, mapusok pa tayo sa mga like issues sa drama, 'di ba?
Gusto ko yung mapusok.
'Di ba? Well, yeah, we've been there, you know that.
Yes, that's true. That's true. And I
So
would
ngayon
agree
parang
na.
chill na lang. Ngayon chill na
Oo.
lang. We have kids to think about. We have our houses to think about.
Yes. 100%. And I think that's one of the good things about reaching this point in life. Parang you're apart from the wisdom that you get, right? Yung feeling of um or parang the knowledge that pwede ko palang piliin yung peace of mind,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
More than anything else.
Yes.
And you're so
That,
right about being a pusok.
'di ba? Before,
Very fiery tayo
parang
nun eh.
mm-mm. Yes. I don't know even if, yeah, I would say feisty.
Feisty, yes, that's true.
Mm-mm.
Palaban. Ganyan.
Yes. Basta I love aging now.
Well, thank you for giving me a different perspective on things. I guess it's just yung alam mo yung feeling, yung siguro yung physical effects of aging naiinis ako. Yung hot flashes.
Oh, yes. Oo.
Yung sleepless nights, yan. My
Mm-mm.
gosh, that's the bane of my existence recently. It's so hard to
Oo.
sleep.
Pero totoo, that's, yun nga, I love aging, I love the process. Pero yun, except the health issues that come with it. So,
Mm-mm.
ngayon, you need to be more aware.
Conscious.
Kasi
Yeah,
more conscious about your physicality. Kasi nung bata ka, like, you can abuse, your body and the next day
true.
you're okay. Pero ngayon, like, pagka napupuyat ako, when I'm sleep deprived, oh my goodness, like, sobrang hirap mag-recover.
Oo.
Parang I need like a weekend to recover.
Yes. And yun ang mahirap
Yes.
dyan, di ba? Kasi parang, alam mo yung, dati parang hindi mo naman iniinda masyado yung hangovers. But now
Mm-mm.
it's like, it's physical pain more than just nahihilo ka or nasusuka ka. Although I've never
Correct.
experienced like a very, heavy hangover, more of headache lang, ganyan, parang pagod.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
But I can't
Correct.
imagine.
Our other Franny is here. Hi, Coach Mindy.
Hello, coach.
Alam mo, right on time. We were just talking about health.
Yes. Parang
Yes.
sinomon natin siya, no? Narinig niya siguro.
Oo.
Oops,
Correct.
I've been summoned.
Okay. Pero yes, hi everyone. Happy New Year.
Mag-cheers
Welcome
muna
to
tayo.
Cheers, Franny.
Cheers
Cheers.
muna. That's yours. You have a pink drink. Is that pink? You have a pink drink.
Um, kind of, yeah.
Kind of pink. And I have a pink
Mm-mm.
tumbler. Because it's a work day today. So,
Okay, cheers, Franny. Di
cheers.
bale, bawi tayo tomorrow night.
Tomorrow
Yes.
night. Um,
Mm-mm.
so yes, that is it for the opening of our first episode. Paloka, di ba? Gusto niyo yung nag-start tayo sa health at saka
Oo.
menopause.
Good, good afternoon, mommies. Thank you for joining us. So, if you've noticed, kami ni Franny, parang we're just starting to wake up.
Yes.
Know about the rest of you, pero parang feeling ko, ang dami na nangyari this January. And
Oo.
for some reason, it's always like that. When you start the year, parang pa-ending January, pero feeling mo, nag-Feb and March na din sa dami na nangyari. Yeah, so I don't know. Pero
Feeling 2026 na. Hindi pa tapos
yes,
yung January.
I know, right? Yeah, so for today, it's just gonna be so chill. It's really chill, chica, and cocktails for today.
Yes.
Um, yeah, so we'll just make kwentuhan. And actually, Frenny and I don't usually talk during the week. So when we get the chance to like
Yes.
talk about me time, ano kami, lagi, ang dami naming sinasabi, ang dami naming chika. And
Oo.
earlier, we were calibrating. And then sabi ni Frenny, "Ah, it's 5:01 na."
Na-late na, di ba?
Oo, na-late
Nakakaloka.
na kami. Kakachika.
Yes. Chica is life.
Hmm. Yes. So for today, sorry, we'll also do the okay, I don't know how to pronounce it yet. Naim breast pump
Name?
giveaway or name?
Time?
Yes, I'm sorry. I should have researched. Pero, pero that's January for you.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
That's January for
Yes.
you.
Mm-mm. Correct. Wait lang, Frenny, let's answer a question here, ha? Kasi
Oh,
parang
okay. Go, go, go.
oo, kawawa naman si Mommy. Mommy Eliani. Sabi niya, hello, Mommy. It's not related to pumps. But how do you manage postpartum hair loss?
Oh, that's a good
Napagod
question.
maglinis 3 times a day ako nagva-vacuum. Oh,
Did you ever experience postpartum hair loss?
I need a minute. I forgot na. Wait.
I need to look back and reflect on
Yes.
my life.
But you know what? This is a common question. I
Yeah.
always encounter this question sa mga groups.
Mm-mm.
Um, pero yes, I've seen a lot of moms experiencing postpartum, and there's one mom who reached out to me before, and I think because of the hormones, talaga like a lot's going on,
Mm-hmm.
with your body in general after you give birth. And so from what I remember, ang sabi ko sa kanya is, just be more cautious with the shampoo and conditioner that you use
Mm-hmm.
postpartum. Yung mga, so like, for me, before I switched to yung mga paraben-free, yung mga nabibili
Mm-hmm.
sa Watsons, 'di ba? Like less chemicals, ganyan, just so it can help, it might, help with the hair loss. Pero when I've experienced that, ang ginawa ko, hindi na lang ako nag-shampoo every day. So I did
Oo.
every other day. Well, that's an excuse. Pero kasi kasi wala talaga akong time mag-shampoo and conditioner nung bagong panganak ako.
Oo, totoo
Um,
naman yun.
yes, and mas, ano pa, longer pa yung hair ko noon.
Mm-mm.
But pero yun, so number one, just be more cautious of like your the shampoo and conditioner that you use.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos yung pagsusuklay, ganyan, mas, ano kasi siya, what I've also noticed, kapag hindi mo siya sinusuklay maayos, and, kunwari, ibaban mo lang siya, di ba? So,
Mm-mm.
matagal siyang hindi naka-straighten, if
Mm-mm.
that's the, hindi siya nasuklay ng maayos. So, kapag, ano mo, um, what do you call this? So, pagka nagsuklay ka, is super daming hair fall. So,
Yeah.
I think, that those are also factors.
Yeah. There's hormonal factors also related to postpartum hair loss. So if it's excessive, then I guess you should um ask for help sa professional, like check with your doctor. Um
Mhm.
yung level ng hair loss ko is not as it's not excessive, although madami siya. And I get yung nakakapagod nakakapagod mag-vacuum, nakakapagod maglinis ng hair.
Mm-mm.
Before I used to think na, is it just me? Ako lang ba yung may ganitong hair na, alam mo yun, parang lagi na lang laging matindi yung hair fall. But
Mm-mm.
apparently it's not. I think it's a common thing for girls because of our hormonal fluctuations eh. So, yun lang if you're see, I'm losing my train of thought. If you're going through hair loss in general, regardless if postpartum or after tapos na yung postpartum period, if it's excessive, then have it checked. Go to your OB first kasi baka hormonal or something. And then you'll find out. So you go through tests naman eh, right? But then also check the like what Frenny said, the ingredients ng shampoo. Parabens is one. Formaldehyde is another thing that causes hair loss. Um, Phthalates, I forgot it, yun nga ba? Yeah, phthalates. Yun yung talagang harmful for the hair and it makes it brittle. So yun yung nagko-cause ng hair loss. And then if you like styling your hair, like me and my friend do, um, you need to, kunwari, you expose your hair to so much heat on a daily basis. Kunwari, papasok kayo sa work or whatever, right? So kailangan mo mag-dry ng hair. Um, what do you call this? Make sure you use a heat protectant for your hair para hindi siya maging brittle kasi isa pa din yung cause or isa pa din yung um, cause ba? Factor
Yeah.
of hair loss. Walang brain cells si Marie today.
Make that for the both of us, Freddy. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's
Tanggap niyo
okay.
naman kami kahit wala kaming brain cells today. It's
Oh,
just,
yes.
Franny,
Hmm.
this I don't really look at me time as an extra activity. For me, it's kind of a release and a stress reliever of sorts for all of the things going on in life, 'di ba? Parang when we talk about me time and we talk about the episode, I don't look at it na parang, hi, I'm gonna do this again. Or as an introvert, parang ayoko humarap sa tao. But then when I think about me time, it's like I'm excited to be there, see these
Mm-hmm.
mommies, see these, these things that they're telling us sa, sa comment section, sharing their stories with us. Kasi parang nare-realize ko na my problems in life, the things that are revolving around me, hindi lang yun yung world. It's far bigger than that, right? So, ayun,
Right.
parang realization lang din when we do me time. But of course, there are days like this when you just wanna talk random stuff,
Yes.
just be chill, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Yan ang ano natin, ang realization ko for 2025.
Correct, Brenny. Yes, I mentioned that during our when I posted about our next episode for me time. But 2025 is all about, making things simpler, less complicated. And it's just really just, conversing with other moms too, answering questions, helping in any way that we can.
Yes, sharing good
Friend,
news. Diba?
yes, sharing good news. May mga kids na kami ni Frenny, and we can tell you all about our experiences. And we are not expert. We can happily share our mistakes
Yes.
and lessons, so you don't have to go through them.
Yes. And
Yes,
since ang theme natin for 2025 is that we are also unbothered already.
yes,
So
mm-mm,
even if may mga mistakes, kasi di ba may mga ganun sa social media na parang you share something in the group and then you get bashed for not doing the right thing. Parang tayo nandun na tayo sa stage in life where, okay, so we made a mistake, so what? Diba?
right,
Parang, let's move forward.
mm-mm.
Diba? Let's be at peace. Yan, diba? Yan ang team natin for 2025. Diba? Samid-samid na tayo today.
Correct, Frenny. 'Di ba? Speaking of, whenever we see, meron kasing ibang groups that, syempre, ayoko na mag-mention, pero sometimes, 'di ba, may mga issues, and then, may mga issues na i-raise yung mom or something,
Mhm.
and then she gets bashed,
Yeah.
or, I don't
Or
know, parang,
judged.
or judged.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. So medyo nakaka-stress lang kasi if you are a mom who's also going through something,
Yeah.
'di ba? And you get bashed or judged. Yun. So ang hirap. Yun.
Yes.
Just be kind. So especially kung ano naman, 'di ba? Like aminado naman tayo sa mga mistakes natin.
Yeah, that's true. You know, so speaking of, groups and avenues of release for us women. So I'm part of those groups, or like I'm part of groups where they're hindi mapigilan nila na may mag-share ng mga problems in life and all that. There are a lot. There are a lot of groups out there. Now, my it's kind of it's bothering sometimes kasi parang medyo parang nakakapraning yung mga kinukwento nila dun eh. Parang, oh my God, is this going to happen to me too? Oh gosh, the signs that she's saying, baka nangyayari din sa akin to, baka pinagdadaanan ko din to, diba? But, um, so I was, sometimes I would share it to my husband and I would tell him, look at this. And parang nakakatakot naman to, or like that. So he would tell me, ba't ikaw umalis dun sa group na yun? Parang, why are you stressing yourself out? And then hindsight,
Mm-mm.
since we're talking about it right now, and I just had a sudden thought na, um, bakit nga ba hindi ako maalis? And maybe it's because that also teaches me with what I'm observing, because I don't participate, I just read. Um, so when I read the comment section, it teaches me also the value of being kind, of being or of communicating your opinions without being abrasive and without being mean to people in social media. So, ito pala yung hindi ko to dapat gawin. So, parang natututo ako in that way, and it expands
Mm-hmm.
your wisdom in life lang din eh. And I've seen, some really, really bad. So, for example, si mommy may pinagdadaanan siya. Oh, we have financial difficulties. Tapos may sasagot, bakit kasi hindi ka ganito? Bakit hindi mo ginawa to? Ganyan, ganyan. Well, if she did that, do you think she'll have this problem? Of course not, right? And that's when she's reaching out
Mm-hmm.
because she doesn't know what to do anymore. So let's be kind, let's be understanding, let's be supportive of people who are going through problems because for all you know, kailangan lang nila ng shoulder to cry on, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
maybe she feels lonely and maybe you're the right person to be there for her, whether you know this person or not. Diba?
Yeah, correct. Well, we've had our fair share of those in the past.
Oh, yes.
Tapos, you know what, Franny, I remember before, pag may mga ganyan, and then we had to respond. Kasi Marie and I, some of us are admins in a group, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pagka kunwari yung mga ganyan, I remember like we would screenshot and then discuss it in the group.
We would brainstorm.
Tapos, yes, you would brainstorm. And then, so parang wait for, parang, for the feisty energy to to pass, 'di ba?
Yes.
Tapos, and then someone will come up with a diplomatic answer or a
Mm-hmm.
kind answer, 'di ba? So, yun. So yes, na-appreciate ko yun. Pero kasi minsan, and then I remember, yung kapag, if you're standing up for someone, tapos yung comment mo, mababash din. 'Di ba?
Yes,
So, yeah,
true.
it's sad. Yes.
But ang funny kasi, um, because when I was a kid, when I was younger, I was a bullied child. And so it was hard for me to respond to comments like that. Parang natitrigger ako na parang I would shrink back. Syempre, through the years, I've gained my confidence and then also I've gotten to know myself better. I know that hindi naman ako yung sinasabi ng mga bullies na to, right? But then when you're confronted with that kind of person, especially in social media, the tendency is for your trauma to surface and then you're just gonna shrink tapos hindi ka na magsasalita, diba? Parang or you would let it pass and ignore it. Um but the thing with, for example, if any one of you are the ones who are posting, right, and somebody comments or responds in a negative way or in a very abrasive way,
Mhm.
the technique, well, not the technique, but like the best way to respond to that is not to fight back, but to offer a different perspective. It's also not good when you agree with somebody who is like that, but offer a different perspective and then let it end there. Kasi when you offer, especially yung mga well-researched at saka factual na responses, because when they're faced with that situation, they don't also know how to respond anymore. And then they would just shut up. And then when they shut up and when they don't comment anymore, ibig sabihin, wala na. Diba? Parang tapos na. Panalo ka
Correct.
na. Right? And so it kind of heals you also as a person. But, yeah, as much as possible, avoid online confrontations. Uso ang screenshots if you are taking care of your career. You won't want that in your records. So, as much as possible, be kind. Be
Correct.
kind and exercise empathy in social media.
Correct. Oo. Yes. Ay, ang heavy naman, Freddy, ng
Oo nga,
first
ba't ba tinitisin
first
naman na
half natin.
natin? Ang hirap ng walang agenda.
May agenda tayo, but
Meron,
we
meron.
just we just switch gears.
Yes, I don't know why. We're so today.
Mm-mm. We're
It's
so feeling
the
natin wala tayong brain cells, but it's the pent up
yes.
stress.
Yes, that's true.
So, anyway, ano ba, life updates, Freddy? You have anything that you wanna share,
Anything that I want to
mention?
share? Well, there's actually nung iniisip ko to, no, 'di ba nag-episode tayo ng December. But it was
Mm-hmm.
early December, was it? 'Di ba? Amnesia. But nag-episode tayo ng December. Whether
Yeah.
early or late, I never really remembered all of these things that have happened. Parang it went by in a blur. But so i-share ko na lang din, dami ko na sa December. Life updates, I got a cat. So I got an I got an emotional, sabi ko to sa husband ko, emotional, support companion because I work from
Is your
home.
cat?
Yes, my cat. It's so I adopted a cat. Tapos emotional support companion siya supposedly because I work at home. I don't get to talk to live people. So like before kasi my husband is working from home too. So like and at the same shift. So pag kunwari something is stressing me out, then I can just tell him the story and all that. But now parang I feel so lonely. And maybe it's because of also my hormones and the perimenopausal period. But um, so I got the cat. Tapos my intention was kasama ko siya sa office, yun yung vision ko. Kasama ko siya sa office, nandito lang siya, I would talk to the cat. So the cat now is my daughter's son. She re-adopted him kasi mas close sila at saka mas gusto siya. So the cat looks at me as just the feeder, the one who changes my litter box. Yun lang yung tingin niya sa akin. But like as a companion, he doesn't see me as a companion. He sees my daughter as his best friend and his mother. Yon. Yan ang life update ko. But apart from my personal life update, I'm also just very happy to share na so recently my daughter went to us and said she got in the principal's list in school, and she is actually the top one in her class. So it was
Wow.
a surprise and also a relief for us to hear that. Kasi our daughter is the creative one. So she's not very um she's not very studious siguro, especially during her younger years. So she's more of I want to draw, I want to be artistic and all that. Diba? Medyo iba yung takbo ng isip niya and iba yung plano niya sa buhay. But then as she siguro as she matured in her life, she's a teenager now, siguro realize niya yung mga sermon namin ng husband ko, no? So parang she's taking it to heart. And then I was surprised that so she has been improving slowly, little by little. But then this is like the biggest moment for her na finally she got her confidence back, right? So nakaka-proud lang as a mom na maisip or as a parent na maisip namin na okay, we must have done something good somehow in this journey of parenthood. Yun lang
Congrats,
update ko,
Franny.
Franny.
Congrats, Franny. I'm so
Thank
proud naman of
you.
Ate Iya.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Akala mo lang. You know, it's cute kasi or it's heartwarming because sometimes or a lot of times we feel that we are inadequate as parents. And then moments like this surprise us, diba? So, yeah, so good job to you and Chong as well. I know that that's part of the reason why she's excelling.
Thank
So
you. But that's
happy.
true. It's very true. The feeling of inadequacy. Tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Especially for the
Yes,
eldest, low yan, right?
correct. Correct. Yes. Speaking of eldest, nanonood yung eldest ko kanina. I don't know if he's still here.
Baka na-bore na siya sa
Baka na-bore na siya. Kasi naman we're talking about perimenopause.
Yes. Sorry. Hi, Ice.
But yes, big help din talaga ang pets. Sabi din ni Mommy K here. You know what, yung pets, di ba, you know, I have dogs. And mas mahal sila kaysa sa mga anak ko. Like the maintenance, like my dog, one of my dogs, Becca, you know, the
Mm-mm.
feistier one and the
Yes.
queen of the house, really. She's a Yorkie. She's like 6 years old. Tapos mahal ang maintenance and like the food that they eat. Alam mo yun, tapos pag nagkasakit,
Mm-mm.
grabe. It's so intense. But anyway, yeah. But they are, ewan ko, emotional supporters din talaga. Pero nakakairita lang sa kanya. Like sometimes, she would only do it if she wants to. Parang she's so smart. Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, for me naman, as you can see, I have glasses. Sign of aging. So for 2025, na-realize ko na whenever I drive, sumasakit na yung ulo ko. And then especially at night, pagka may mga headlight and when it's super bright, nahihilo na ako. And then parang biglang nagbo-blur yung paningin ko.
Yeah.
So, that is, ano, yun. So, that triggered me to go to the, actually, pinilit ako ni David na asawa ko to get it checked. And then, ayun. So, kasi ever since I've been, it's been 2020. So, ngayon, wala na. It's 75/50 plus astigmatism. So yeah.
Oh,
Yep, it's sad. Those days are over. Pero, ayun ang sabi ko, like, when you age, it's okay. Ganun talaga.
yeah.
Just have to be more conscious to listen to your body more. And ano pa ba? And on a lighter note, it's our 9-year anniversary
Yay!
this week.
Happy
Yes, I
anniversary!
know. Yes, so I posted my hubby's gift, which is the Dyson Airstrait.
Yes!
Tuwan,
Galing.
yes,
Galing ni
tuwan-tuwa ako.
David. Gusto mo yung pa-effects tayo today?
Oo nga, may pa-effects. Pero yes, ayun, hindi pa kami nag-anniversary special. So, but we will travel Feb kasi may work siya. You know how it is. Uh, but that's okay. Ayun, so anyway, that's it for me, my update so far. But somebody here mentioned Queen of Tears. Excited na sila
Yes.
pag-usapan.
Let's talk about Queen of Tears. But before that, I know you have something for the group. You have something for the mommies in the live. Your giveaway.
Oh, yes.
Na-excite tayo masyado kay, ano ha, kay Queen of Tears ha.
Yes. Yes. So for today's giveaway, we have the Naim breast pump. So I still don't know how to pronounce it. I'm so sorry. Name breast pump or NAIM. Yes. So we will give that away tonight. And actually, I also have the new colors of the Horizon Decent Go. And
Ooh.
if you haven't seen my post about it, it's actually the MVP for 2024. Maraming nagtataka kung bakit, and some mommies commented it's like the dark horse.
Oh.
Um, yes, because, they didn't expect it.
To perform that
So,
well.
yes, to perform that well and to be the MVP. So to celebrate also the colors, we wanted, it was actually my husband's idea. Again.
Alam
Sabi
mo,
niya,
feeling ko
celebrate the
talagang
new
ano eh.
colors.
Oh, feeling ko talaga pang nitnok tong si David eh. Siya nag-isip ng name, siya yung, 'di ba?
Yes, oo.
Ano, siyang
Yes.
CEO.
Yes, siya yung CEO. CEO naman talaga yan. But, yeah, siya ang brain. But yeah, so nakita niyo ba yung new colors, mommies? Ang cute, super cute, like pink and I'm so sorry, I
Not
haven't unboxed it.
not the chaka kind of pink.
Not that I'm
Yes.
guessing and I'm hoping based on the photos. So it's
Yeah.
pink and then there's milky white.
Ooh.
So our two favorite colors, Franny.
Yes. Alam mo yan. Pale pink.
Yes. Yes, I know, right? Oh, mine pink.
Oo, sabi ni Mommy Gail, it was pronounced as Naim based on
Okay.
Google. Oh, Naim then.
Naim. Okay.
Is it
Thank you, Mommy. You're so
Chinese?
helpful.
Chinese brand ba to or is it something else? Kasi
I
'di ba
think,
Yuha is Chinese,
mm-hmm.
Imani is Korean, and then of course you have the
Correct.
LVs and the Willows. But Naim, well,
Yes.
we'll see.
Well,
Let's
we'll
find
check
out.
later.
Yes, curious lang ako, 'di ba? Parang.
Yes. But yeah, so stay tuned for the question. I don't know if we're gonna do fastest fingers again.
Mm-mm.
Parang hindi fair sa lahat ng mommies.
Yung fastest fingers. Maybe we could do like
Oo.
the old one, no? Yung thoughts and your
Oh, correct, correct.
experiences. Maybe we could do that.
Correct, correct. Okay. So yun, so let's go back to Queen of Tears. Super excited ako. So
Yes.
when did you watch it, Franny?
We watched it last year. So
Last
that's what we do
year's.
kasi parang we let it finish tapos saka namin papanoorin. So
Yeah.
as soon as it
Mm.
finished, tinala na namin ng Queen of Tears because well, I have a girl crush on Kim Ji-won. She's like my ultimate girl crush. Kahit mean
Mm-mm.
girl siya dun sa iba niyang yung mga first K-dramas niya. But then I was also
Yeah.
very curious about Kim Soo-hyun because
Mm-mm.
I think my one of my previous bosses, she she keeps going to these fan meets. And so parang I watched him before, but like it's not I didn't think it was as impacting to me as Queen of Tears was. So, yun. But that's where we started. So, as soon as it finished, yun ang date naming mag-asawa. We do K-drama. Pagdating niya from work and then pag-gising ko, K-drama kami. One episode, two episodes per day, ganyan. That's what we do.
Mommy, can
Ikaw,
you comment
Fernie,
nga if
ha?
you, yeah, I'm asking the moms here to comment if you've watched it na.
Yes.
Yes, can you comment and let us know?
Ang
So
dami
ako,
nag-heart.
so, so ako naman, I just watched it this month. It's like, it's like New Year, New Me talaga. Kasi,
Oo.
I've never been a fan of K-drama, right? So
Oo,
parang
kinukulit
meron
kita nun, di
akong,
ba?
so meron akong parang, so in general, parang gusto ko lang English movies. Okay.
Mm.
Medyo, alam mo ba yung huling local movie pa na napanood ko? One More Chance. Mga ganyan.
Tagal na nun, Fred.
Ang tagal na, yes. So, parang before kasi, whenever I watch, local series or what, cornyhan lang ako or parang it's so predictable. So, it doesn't really satisfy my um, entertainment purposes or
Yes.
something or
Desires.
desires, yes. So parang yun. So I stopped watching altogether unless manood kami ng what do you call this, ng yun nga movies or something, pero or series, yan, mahilig kami ng husband ko din sa series. So yes, so my daughter, my other work daughter, introduced me to Queen of Tears, si Aggie. Sabi niya sa akin, Mom, panoorin mo to. So the first two episodes, medyo parang feeling ko, medyo it's okay, ganyan. So parang, and also, I forgot to mention the reason why I didn't watch K-drama before. Nang cornyhan din ako when you change the dub to English.
Ang corny ng dub.
Yes,
English,
so parang
Tagalog, whatever. Basta dinub ayoko.
so it's parang it's not the real deal. And then ako
Yeah.
din, I was having issues multitasking. So
Mm-mm.
reading the subtitle as well as listening.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, syempre, hindi mo masyado makikita yung emotions ng characters and whatever. But anyway, so for Queen of Tears, in fairness naman, so natutuwa ako. Medyo cringe nung una. Parang the first two episodes, parang okay, it's alright. Ganyan,
Parang,
ganyan.
ganon.
Yes. And then when she said that she's going through something, baka kasi may mas spoil ako dito na mommies.
Yeah.
When she's going through something and then ayun na medyo nag-start na yung medyo okay na and
Yeah.
ayun, and it's crazy, Frenny, pangatlong rewatch ko na.
Ang rewatch ko ng ganyang ka-intense, Frenny, Crash Landing on You.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna be my
Mm-mm.
next one. I think that's my
Yes.
next one. Yes.
Oo.
Pero as in like it's so hard to move on from this series. Tapos, and then I found myself listening to the OST when I was working out.
I
Tapos
love
pag
it!
magdadrive ako, di ba sinend ko sa yung video, nakikinig
Oo.
ako ng OST. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, this is so weird. But, yeah, sobrang, wala, happy ko lang. Nakakatuwa siya.
Yeah. Alam mo, Frenny, ginawa, well, kami din ng husband ko kasi we would watch together. Magkakatampuhan kami kapag nag-watch ako ng series na hindi siya kasama or, the other way around. Pero this one really, parang it's so different kasi iba yung impact sa aming dalawa. And then we would also listen sa car. Pero
Yeah.
kasi I was thinking, bakit ba gustong-gusto namin ito? Hindi naman namin naiintindihan yung lyrics. Pero like, there's this lyrics na parang tonto ako pagka kinakanta ng husband ko kasi yung part ng bong shosho. Tonto siya doon eh. Inuulit-ulit niya yun. So parang sabi ko, parang hindi naman namin naiintindihan. But then kasi the way, I guess it the way it was composed or the way it was I guess arranged
Yeah.
as a soundtrack, para siyang calming. Although the drama itself is not, it's not calm.
No.
It's not calm, especially well, we don't want to spoil, but it's not calm.
Mm-mm.
But then the music, parang if you listen to it, the entire soundtrack, it's so ano eh, parang it's so relaxing. Sarap sa ears. It's not
Yeah.
doesn't pump your blood, 'di ba? Hindi siya ganun eh.
Correct.
So, ang sarap niyang ano, ang sarap niyang pakinggan. So I get the desire to listen to it in the car kasi guilty din kami. Ginawa din namin.
Hindi kasi kinig ka pa rin. Pag napapakinggan mo pa lang yung music,
Oo.
yung song, 'di ba? Pero you know what I love is, hindi, ang cute kasi nilang dalawa eh.
Mm-mm. Ang
Para,
ganda ng chemistry, grabe.
yes, para it's so hard to, basta parang, iba, especially, parang feeling mo, super genuine ng mga ano nila, ng acting
Yes.
nila. Mm.
Na they're not acting
Yes.
anymore. So now that you're in the
Oo.
black hole of K-dramas
Yes.
and you have that feeling, you're already part of the ship. The
Oh
ship,
no.
the ship nila Kim Ji-won. So ako din. And I had the same feeling with Crash Landing on You, Freddy. Na
Oh,
parang,
talaga.
this is not drama. This is not ano, acting. This is real. Ganon. Ganong level. Tapos, pero
Okay.
syempre, that was before. That was how many years ago? 6 years? 6 years ago, yung Crash Landing on
Yeah.
You.
Yeah.
And then of course this one is better. Maganda din yung cinematography, but like the kilig is there. And the chemistry is there. Tapos yun din ang naisip ko. And so I was part of that um bingein ship na talagang minamanifest ko maging sila. So when they announced na mag boyfriend girlfriend sila, ay nako, patay na. This is the end game, that's what I said. So and then they got
I
married and they had a kid.
know.
So
Yes. Anyway, nakakatuwa lang kasi ano, parang ano kasi, ano tawag dito? Alam mo na, saka super na-appreciate ko yung mga twists and yung
mhm.
mga, unpredictable moments.
You know what I
So,
love? Yung
yeah.
sa mga ganong dramas, not just Queen of Tears, but like the healing in relationships, in any kind of relationship, 'di ba?
Yes.
Healing, the reconnection, the building of bridges, even if it has been so severe, 'di ba? Nagiging okay. And it just parang it warms your heart in it's not the end of the
Mm-mm.
world. Alam mo yun?
Mm-mm. Yeah, super cute. Ano favorite scene mo doon, Freddy?
Ang
Or
dami,
favorite part?
Frenny. Alam mo, ang pinaka, well, in the entire drama, ang pinaka-favorite kong scene is the BTS. Yung behind the scenes ng, ano, nung drama. Yun ang
Oh.
top one siguro, BTS. Kasi, especially the part ng nasa Germany sila. Yun yung, so, may mga hindi pa nakakapanood, pero pag pinanood mo yung the idea and the thought behind how they're gonna make the montage of the ano of the Germany scenes
Mhm.
yon. Pero pinaka siguro yung talagang umano sa akin yung talagang napaiyak ako at saka affected ako was the second Germany trip. Yun na lang, stop ako doon. The second Germany trip at the church.
Oh,
Yon.
yeah. Mm-mm.
I love that. Like
Yeah.
talagang I cried when I watched it. I cried.
No, I cried so many times. Sabi ko nga, is there something wrong with me?
No, it's just ganun siya talaga.
It's,
I think
it's,
it was meant
it's
to be
too
like that.
intense. Yeah, yeah, it's too
Alam mo yung
intense.
intense siya because of the emotions, but it's not
Yeah.
intense because of the twists and the drama behind those emotions. It's really the acting. at saka yung emotions that they, kasi the scene was so simple eh. 'Di ba? Walang bombs, walang
Mm-mm.
nagpalit ng muka, walang nagkaroon ng
Yeah.
amnesia at ano, walang nauntog at nagkaroon ng amnesia. Yun yung ano, mas accurate. Yun yung Pinoy na series, right? Pero it was so simple. It was just a conversation. Yung scenes nila, that's multiple scenes. Just conversations, pero ang sakit, 'di ba? Parang ang sakit sa ano na panoorin that you empathize and you feel for these people. Di ba nag-fangirl na ako? Oh my God. Stop.
Yes. Actually, ang pinaka nakaka-stress for me is replacing Queen of Tears with another
Oh,
series.
yeah. Yes, wala pa nakakatapat. After nun, wala pa. So I can support you in that thought also.
Kasi the feeling na parang, kasi I've experienced this before eh. May mga several series ako. For example, Grey's Anatomy. Yan. Like, ride or die ko din yan. Pati yung Friends. If I want something about love, I'll go for Grey's Anatomy and then, or lovey-dovey, or friendships, ganyan. Friends then is like that. So, parang nahihirapan akong mag-move on to find another replacement. So, that's the same thing that I'm experiencing now sa Queen of Tears, yung parang you had it so good na parang ayaw mo munang palitan. Tapos gusto mo lang i-rewatch. Pero pero parang OA na. I
OA
can't
na yung
explain
need.
it. Oh, yeah, I can't explain it. Pero
Yeah.
yeah. So natatawa ako siguro. Parang
But ang dami
siguro
nakaka-relate ah.
yes, like siguro last year hindi ko sigurong I won't believe myself na, oy, at nandito na ako sa stage ng K-drama.
Yes.
Yes. But so far, it's fun. I really like them, the two of them.
Yeah. Minamanifest ko sila. Silang next Dinjin. I don't even know what their couple name is. They do that in ano, K-dramas. They have a couple name.
Oh,
Like
talaga?
Dinjin. Yoonbin and Son Ye-jin. They're like top tier. The best.
Yeah. Mm. Panoorin nga natin. Ay, panoorin. I'm just gonna read some of the,
Yes, the comments. I'm also reading. Tatatawa ako sa mga
the
comments.
comment. Desperate Housewives. Ooh, I've also, alam mo yung Big Bang Theory? I've watched that eh. Pero kasi parang it's too nerdy, not in a bad way, ah. It's too,
Academic and intellectual yung approach.
oo,
Yeah.
it's, yung humor niya medyo intellectual.
It's not yung
And,
feel good lang na ano, na mag-iisip ka pa
yes.
eh, na parang, huh?
Correct, correct. So
Parang
when I
E equals
watch,
MC squared.
when I watch something, and this goes also for our books, di ba?
Mhm.
Parang we want to be in another place or we
Another
want it to be
experience.
another experience na parang chill lang siya. Although hindi naman chill yung Queen of Tears. Pero, but
Well,
it's still, it's still good.
yeah, it's good. Hindi siya chill
Yeah.
in a sense na, hindi din siya mabigat. Kasi we watched the K-drama na, um, ang bigat. This was a K-drama that we watched, kakapanganak ko pa lang kay Gavin. So, 'di ba may postpartum ka na tapos ang bigat ng ano. Alam mo yung mabigat siya kasi ang daming nangyayari na. Tapos ang daming traitors, ang daming twists na parang dyan pala yung kalaban, ganyan. But this one kasi is heavy because of I guess the emotional weight it brings. But
Mm.
the story
Yeah.
itself is so simple and it's so direct to the point.
Yeah.
Walang paikot-ikot na ano. But it's just heavy siguro in that sense, no?
Alam mo, Frenny, favorite ko din yung press conference.
Oh, yes. Oh my God, you should watch the BTS of that.
Ah, talaga?
Yes, you should.
Yung press conference, okay, doon na talaga ako parang, oh my goodness, I could not stop my tears.
Oo, grabe yun.
The press
Alam mo yung,
con
yung
and
gusto
the
ko,
voiceover.
Yes. Ay, alam mo,
Yeah.
Frenny, isa pa sigurong feeling ko, kaya tayo affected na affected sa acting nilang dalawa. The cinematography is amazing. Like the way the camera does close-up shots on those very intense scenes. Tapos makikita mo yung micro expressions.
Mm-hmm.
Grabe din ako kinikilabutan. Yung parang pag nag-close-up shots, makikita mo, nababasa mo sa mukha nila na this is what they're feeling.
Yeah.
This is the emotions that they're going through. These are the thoughts in their head. Parang, ay, grabe. Intense.
Yung mga BTS, wala pa ako dyan, Fenny. So,
Yes.
baka later.
Oo. Baka pagka medyo ano ka na, pag kunwari medyo move on ka na. Pero pag pinanood mo yung BTS, gugustuhin mo siya ulit i-rewatch. Kasi mapapansin mo
Oh.
yung mapapansin mo yung, oh my God, di ko to nakita. May mga ganon. Tell me if that
Parang,
happens to you.
okay, sige, I will. I will. Ano pa bang mga
Ayun! Sabi ni
suggestions ng
Aggie,
mga mommy? Ano?
Suwon. That's their couple
Tuwon.
name. Suwon.
Oh, oh, they're so cute.
Yes, they're so
Wait,
cute.
sabi ni mommy side gets less nerdy sa mga next seasons. Yung Big Bang. But,
Oh, okay.
but mommy, no, I cannot have the time to,
To
or I
mentally
cannot
process
wait.
the information. 'Di ba?
Yes. Oo. Gusto ko pagkapanood ko, sige, I'll wait for 2 episodes. Yun na yung ano ko. Actually kami ni David, meron na kami pinanood na series na, or movie, kahit movie, pagka 10
Mm.
minutes, feeling namin na, ganyan, wala na,
Dragging.
we'll stop it na.
Mm.
Oo, yes. Time is precious, mommies.
Yes, that's true. Although I did
Time
try
is
to watch
precious.
Big Bang, I
Mm-mm.
like the humor. Nagigets ko naman, natatawa ko. Pero parang for me, kasi siguro I need to process it because I'm not that intellectual. So I need time to process it ng konti. So while I like the humor and I like how witty the lines are, yung ayokong mag-isip na. Gusto ko
Right,
manood
right.
ng hindi na ako mag-iisip. And I think that's the good mix sa K-dramas kasi na parang there is an element of predictability
Yes, yes.
na hindi ka magkaka-anxiety. Iyak ka lang,
Correct.
ganyan, pero hindi ka magkaka-anxiety.
Yes. So, well, ano pa bang mga top 3 dito?
Meron,
Always.
uh,
Oo. Alam mo,
Hotel de
totoo to.
Luna.
Sabi din ni Mommy Lendl, yung soundtrack din kasi always on point eh. Totoo.
Yes.
Kakainis nga eh.
Alam mo, ang galing talaga na nag-produce niya. Like the direction, the cinematography, the actors, the casting. Ay, nako. The music,
Yeah.
the arrangement.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim? Oh, kita ko din to lagi.
It's cute, it's
Okay.
funny.
Nandi. Talaga. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dami ka ng line up. Oh. Kaya mommies, kapag kunwari wala akong content or very dull yung page ko, alam niyo na. May pinapanood
Yes.
ako.
Ang craze ko ngayon is the when the phone rings. Although sometimes it's so preposterous. It's like a fluff book.
Oh, talaga?
I guess that's why. Kaya ko siya gusto. Kasi para siyang yung books natin sa mga
Inbox.
e-reader natin. That's how it is. But the acting is also good. The acting is good.
Ah, talaga. Okay, sure ka na dyan.
Mm-mm. Tapos, Franny, pagka gusto mo ng medical drama, hindi lang we love yung Doctor Romantic. All seasons ng Doctor Romantic. We love that.
Talaga?
Mm-mm.
Uy, sinuggest din niya ni Frenny Karen, no?
It's
Doctor
so good.
Romantic if you love Doctor House.
Yes.
Okay.
So good. I love it.
Ang dami ko naman papanoorin. I
Yes.
can't.
Yung Doctor Romantic, ilang seasons yan? 3 seasons pa? 3 seasons. Oo, 3 nga yata.
2 seasons. You
Oo.
know what? Sorry, going back to Queen of Tears, parang iniisip ko nga, dapat ba magkaroon siya ng succeeding seasons or, more. Pero parang it's good na as it is.
Yes.
Or siguro I don't know kung 'Di ba? Is there a
Yeah.
better storyline after?
Oo. Ako parang siguro pag inisip ko yan, kung magkaka-season 2 pa siya, parang ito yung mga pag ginawan mo ng season 2 magfa-flop. Kasi parang,
Oh.
alam mo yung in-expand na nila yung storyline and they've stretched the limits of the of the characters so
Mm-mm.
much. They've healed
Yeah.
the wounds, they've also resolved the issue. So, parang parang plus meron na siyang epilogue, 'di ba? So parang
Yeah.
wala na siguro siyang isa-stretch for me. I would love like a spin-off siguro from
Uy, alam mo ba, I forgot to mention that. Super love ko din yung mga after episodes.
yes.
The, oh my gosh. Super,
Yung mga secret
oh,
scenes, 'di ba?
so cute talaga. Sabi ko, ano ba to? Why you like this?
Pero ni pag pinanood mo yung BTS, iisipin mo talaga na, oh my God, parang di sila talaga umaarte. Oo.
Talaga.
Mm-mm.
Uh,
Feeling ko
oh
lapit
yeah.
na kita ma-convince manood ng BTS. Konti na lang.
Baka, we'll see, Frenny. Ay, nako. So, we'll see. Pero, yun lang na naman tayo. Natatawa ako. Ayun. So, ano pa? Tapos, alam mo, Frenny, wait lang. Di ba si the other guy sa Queen of
Yeah.
Tears, the
Yeah.
second guy,
Mm-hmm.
alam mo, parang, um, nahihirapan akong i-picture siya as the second guy, especially after watching Squid Games.
Oh,
The
yes.
second,
Well, ito, Frenny, you will say that after you watch The Glory. He's in The
o
Glory.
talaga,
Yes. Intense, The
nakita ko yun.
Glory. Oo.
Talaga.
Yeah.
Is that
So,
like a bad thing?
um, no, I think it's a bad thing for him. I don't think so. I think it also just shows how versatile he is as an actor. So,
Mm.
panoorin mo yung Queen of Tears. Sorry, nag-aalarm yung phone ko. Mag-work na daw ako. Um, so, panoorin mo yung Queen of Tears, panoorin mo yung, kahit, well, you don't have to watch like the entire episode, but like watch his character sa The Glory and then watch him sa Squid Games. Doon mo nakita, oh my God, this guy has depth.
Talaga.
Yes.
Oo, nasad lang ako kasi, di ba, syempre, ano siya, sa Squid Games. He is
Trans.
yes.
Yeah.
So, parang nahirapan ako i-picture siya as the other guy. So,
Yeah.
hindi impactful sa akin na may ibang lalaki.
Plus, I think you're just really on yung sa relationship nilang dalawa. That's where your focus is eh. So I didn't like him in,
Yes.
I didn't also see him as a, potential second lead at all. Siguro
Yeah.
ganun na siya talaga built na kontrabida siya talaga.
Do you find him cute, mommies? Ako kasi hindi eh.
In, well, no,
'Di ba? Parang feeling
no,
ko mas someone is better to do the second
the
guy.
second guy. Pero kasi,
Judger.
Frenny, eto na-discover ko sa mga K-dramas ha. They are so good at changing the looks of a person to match it dun sa character. Like they would change the
Mm.
hairstyle, they would change yung pananamit, even yung what do you call this, yung pagtayo, yung stance and the way they
Mm-mm.
would walk, it's always different. So that's yun yung mga realization ko sa K-drama na parang I would watch this and it's itong actor na to kahit minor role lang siya. Tapos pinanood ko siya as a lead dito sa K-drama na to. It's so different. So pag in-observe ko siya, oh, it's the way they walk or the way they talk or the way they move their faces, ganyan. Ganun sila ka-invested sa acting. Versus, for
Yeah.
example, just in comparison, for example, sorry for the fans of Blake Lively, if anybody here is a fan of Blake Lively. But for me, kasi parang I when I watched her in Gossip Girl before, even sa panahon ng Gossip Girl, I never liked her. But kasi when I watched her in Gossip Girl, I watched her interviews, I watched her press cons or whatever. It's just Blake Lively acting as Blake Lively. It's not,
Mhm.
for example, sino ba magaling na Hollywood actor? Um,
I like Rachel McAdams. Sa
oh,
The Notebook,
yes,
yun.
see The
Parang
Notebook,
she
yes.
has, especially when she played Regina George.
Yes, 'di ba? Yun. Yun
Yeah,
yung
yeah,
hindi mo masasabi na this person is, and that's why you said it, eh. Kasi parang when you look at her, this person is not Rachel McAdams. She's Regina George. 'Di ba? So when
yeah.
people picture her today, she's like, "Oh, that's Regina George." They don't say it's Rachel McAdams.
Mm-mm.
There's si Blake Lively, you see
Correct.
her, "Oh, that's Blake Lively." They don't say, "Oh, that's Serena," or "Oh, that's I don't know whatever character she's played in the past apart from yung
Yeah.
Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants." But parang hindi siya, wala siyang impact masyado.
Kasi 'di ba, did you read It Ends With Us?
I read some of it, medyo hindi ko na tinuloy.
Yeah. Ako kasi I read it eh. I read it
Oo.
like siguro mga 3 times din.
Oo.
Tapos, so when the news came out na siya yung gaganap, parang I got sad. Oh,
Mm.
it's not, she's not the person I pictured for this, excuse
Who
me,
would you say is
excuse
the
me,
right
role.
person for that
I,
role?
alam mo, I didn't have an idea at that time,
Mm-mm.
even up to now.
Mm-mm.
Pero basta parang, it's a waste.
It parang could have
Na,
been somebody better.
yeah,
I
I
haven't
think
watched the
so.
movie either, eh. So, kasi nga hindi ako
Yeah.
fan ni Blake Lively. I love
Mm-mm.
Leighton Meester, but
Oh, I love her too. Pwede rin
mm-mm.
siya, actually. She would have
Oh,
worked better, yes, than Blake
as the
Lively.
character. That's
Oh,
interesting.
yes. Mm-mm.
Is the book good?
Yes. I love the book. It's a
Mm-mm.
thousand times better than the movie. Most of
Oh,
the time naman eh. Most of the time naman.
well, yes, that's true.
Um, so, ayun. The movie's a little dragging. There are a
Yeah.
lot of moments na medyo dragging. Pero sa
Oo.
book, parang wala. I never felt that.
Oo.
Yeah.
It's interesting. Hindi kasi ako masyadong, dun ako sa ano eh. Dun ako sa mga, yung ano lang, yung mga simple lang na, ano,
Mm-mm.
love stories. Mga romance novels na fluff. Ganun lang.
Yeah.
So
Ako,
I
I
rarely
like,
read those things.
yeah, I read a lot of Koho books.
Yeah.
Kasi, yeah, I like the twisted stories.
Oo, oo. Twisted nga, ano. I liked some of
Yeah.
her initial books. Yun yung mga una ko nabasa. Yung mga
Mm-mm.
slammed series and all that. But, tapos yung na-recommend mo, the other
Mm-mm.
one. But then after that,
Yeah.
wala na. Parang wala na ako nabasa na book niya.
Yeah. Yeah. Pero okay naman. I like the movie as well. It was entertaining. Pero
Mm-mm.
okay yung casting ng guys. Yung siya lang talaga yung medyo
Stand out, no? Parang hindi talaga, hindi kasi siya, ano eh. Yun talaga for me, sorry. Pero yung Blake Lively acting as Blake Lively, ganon.
oo. You
Not in
know what?
character.
I think some people will disagree on this as well.
Mm-mm.
Pero that's how we also see Zendaya.
Sino
Kapag
si...
si
Si
Zendaya,
ni
si
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, yes,
Yeah,
oo. So parang feeling namin every time she acts as if she's
yeah.
Zendaya. She's not like the role or the person na pinoportray niya. Like, I don't know if you watched Dune, pero yun, favorite din namin yun ni David. Pero
Oo.
doon sa Dune, parang, no, para siyang si Zendaya din. So, yes, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, Frenny. Before natin i-continue yung K-drama, let's do the Naim giveaway first because bago tayo mag-babble pa about K-drama.
Yes.
K-drama. Yes, so mommies, if you are watching, um, just to set your expectations also about the Naim, this is the breast pump giveaway. It's um, hospital grade, but it's also a wearable pump. So, medyo steep din ang learning curve. And then, if you've seen my unboxing and my assembly, you will see that there are so many parts. Medyo mahirap din siya i-assemble and disassemble. So if you want to join the giveaway, just be mindful. Do you still want to use this press pump? And
Ganon.
no, I'm just, of course, I want this to be like, we always set expectations lang, right?
Yes, that's
Kasi
right.
ayoko rin naman masayang. That's all I'm
Mm-mm.
saying.
Yeah.
Yes. So, um, ayun. So let's do the breast pump giveaway. So Frenny here again will make the thread or will do the thread.
Yes.
Yes. So you have to comment on that particular thread only. If it's outside the thread, then you're not counted, or
Yes.
your comment will not be, what do you call this, considered as an
Mm-hmm.
entry. So yun. Okay, so ready na ba kayo? Very simple question, and para din fair, we'll give it until midnight tonight to join the giveaway. Huwag na tayo mag-fastest fingers, so we have time to
Yes.
announce who the winner is.
12 a.m. is the cutoff,
Um,
right?
12 midnight. Sige,
Okay.
gusto ba 12:01?
Pwede naman.
Oh, okay. Sige. All right. So that's our giveaway for today. And Franny, our question is, what's the best K-drama for you and what's the impact to your life?
Di ba? Ang ganda ng question natin.
Yes. Simple for today's video. So please make sure comment on Marie's thread only. Huwag sa labas, huwag sa actual chat. Of course, you can join. Um, Yun, just remember the expectations that were set
Mm-hmm.
for you to maximize. Of course, we want you to win something that you would really use and then would be
Yes.
beneficial for you.
Yep, yep. So I posted the giveaway thread like a minute ago, so it should be there. Um,
Mm-hmm.
kung hindi pa siya lumalabas, wait lang kayo. Wag muna kayo magko-comment sa labas. Okay? So, para hindi sayang yung entries.
Yes. Oo, ayan. Nakita ko na, Frenny, yung giveaway thread mo.
All right.
Yes. So all you have to do is reply. Press reply on Marie's comment. Yun lang yung titignan kong thread for it,
Mm-hmm.
for the giveaway winner. And if ano tawag dito? And then we'll also give away one Horizon Decent Go tonight.
Oh, no, na. My gosh.
Yes, if you want to win the Horizon Decent Go, just
Mm-hmm.
comment your favorite color among the two.
Oh,
And
sige,
then
wait.
I will just randomly, no, kahit wala sa thread mo, friend.
Okay, okay, okay. Go.
Even outside. And then I'll choose one winner for today. And then sa next episode na natin, yung isa.
Oh, ang swerte naman nila. Grabe. 2 pumps for
Yes.
today.
2 pumps for today. Manifesting. Ayan. So, just comment your color, your favorite color dun sa dalawa, white or pink. And then I will choose a random winner for tonight's episode.
All
So,
right. Dami na nagko-comment. Go, go,
I
go,
know that,
mommies.
there's something wrong with my Facebook. I can't see it, the
Why?
comments. Yeah.
All? Wait, I lost the thread. Wait lang.
No, parang hindi siya, it's probably my connection.
Yeah. Well, we'll see it later. Let's check again kasi nawala din yung comment. Di ko din nakikita yung thread ko. Could be Facebook. So,
Yes.
you know how it is.
Yup, yup. Grabe. We're episode, ano na, Freddy, 12. So
Yeah.
next month we also have We have more episodes.
We have more episodes. Do you like this format, mommies, or you want it? Well, we could probably, kasi ang sarap ng kwentuhan ng, ano eh, ng may certain
Um,
topic ka lang eh. 'Di ba? Like, revolve ka lang dun sa topic na yun. Eh. So, maybe that's why.
correct, correct. Yes, I love it. And then February, Valentine's Day na.
Oh my gosh. Valentine's plans. Wala pa
Yes,
akong Valentine's
Valentine's
plans.
plans. And then, yes, we'll talk about marriage,
Ooh,
relationships.
yes. Let's talk about that next time. Next month.
Next month. Yep.
Madami tayong viewers nun pag relationships, no?
Oo, parang
Oo.
last year.
Oo. Yun
Yes,
yung
oo.
pinakamarami nun na viewers dun.
Mm-mm. Tapos ang gusto ko din, nanonood din yung mga husband.
Oh, yes. Actually, oo. Kasi parang you're also helping out, no? A relationship eh.
Yes, yes. Okay, mommies. So, Franny, we're closing na tonight.
Yes. Yeah. So, ano tawag dito? We're we're supposed to do an activity that, 'di ba? Kasama natin dapat dun sa sa episode.
Uh,
But kasi we all obsessed over K-drama and Queen of Tears, so maybe we'll do that next time. For
yes.
now, if you are hearing this, then you've reached the end of the episode. And so we want to thank you always for joining us before and even now in 2025. Thank you for still being with us. We hope you enjoyed the topic. And if you did, please leave us a comment or review on the NetNut page. And you can share this episode with others who may also be interested in K dramas. We want to hear about our thoughts on Blake Lively and Queen of Tears and Rachel McAdams. So please share. We're also in different platforms outside of Facebook Live. And yun, we love listening to our previous episodes Spotify. So if you're on Spotify, you can do that.
Correct. We're also on YouTube, mommy. So if you prefer those platforms, we're also there. But if you have any topic suggestions for 2025, we want it to be more chill, we want it to be more conversational so
Yeah.
that a lot of mommies can join in and, just kwentuhan, chikahan. So get in touch in the comments, let us know, mommies. But thank you all for being with us on our first episode of 2025.
Yay!
Woohoo!
Happy
Cheers,
New
mommies!
Year!
Happy weekend. We hope you have fun this weekend and, get some rest, hopefully. But
Yes.
yeah, so thanks for watching.
Thanks, mommy. See you again next time.
Bye.
Bye.